If a seller recovers his capital along with accumulated compensating interest not in one single lump sum payment but in periodical equal payments over time, A. Capital recovery annuity F is availed. B. Present work annuity is availed. C. Sinking fund annuity is availed. D. Sinking fund annuity is availed. The correct answer is capital recovery annuity F is availed. The financial analysis. A helps a shareholder to compare the expected return on his investment in the firm against the expected return from other alternative investment. B helps a bank to know the financial position of the firm for granting a loan to the firm. C helps to judge the success of the firm's financial plans. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. Pick up the correct statement regarding financial statement analysis from the following. A. Final analysis always involves the use of various financial statements, i.e. balance sheet and income statement. B. The balance sheet is the summary of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity of business at a point in time. C. The income statement is the summary of revenues and expenses of a firm over a particular period of time. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Which one of the following is not a construction estimate? A. Initial feasibility estimate. B. Conceptual preliminary budget. C. Definite estimate. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The ratio of current assets, loans and advances and the current liquidity is called current ratio. B. Larger the current ratio, larger is the margin of safety. C. The operating profit is the difference between gross profit and operating expenses. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. A project construction cost estimate includes A. The labor and material cost. B. The equipment and overhead cost. C. The profit of the contractor. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. The person desires to pay off the amount in 10 equal annual installments. The amount of each installment is A. Rupees 5,638. B. Rupees 6,638. C. Rupees 7,738. D. None of these. The correct answer is Rupees 5,638. Renu Bala deposits Rupees 1,200 now, 800 Rupees 2 years from now and Rupees 1,000 5 years from now. If the savings bank's rate of interest in 5, she will receive an amount of Rupees X 10 years from now, where X is A. Rupees 3,415. B. Rupees 4,225. C. Rupees 4,413. D. Rupees 4,826. The correct answer is Rupees 4,413. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The capital required to get a project started is the first cost. B. The first cost is a single cash flow or a series of cash flows that are made in the beginning of the activity's lifespan. C. The first cost of purchasing a car is the sum of the down payment, taxes and dealer's charges. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Engineering economy is a collection of mathematical techniques which simplify economic comparisons. B. Engineering economy is a decision assistance tool by which one method will be chosen as the most economically one. C. For understanding the engineering economy, one should be able to classify the basic terminology and fundamental concepts of economy. D. All of these. The correct answer is All of these. Keeping in view the feasibility order of magnitude, the preliminary conceptual or budget estimates are prepared by A. Architect engineer, B. Construction manager, C. Owner himself/herself, D. Construction manager. The correct answer is owner himself/herself. If P is principal amount, I is the rate of interest per annum, and N is the number of periods in years, the compound amount factor CAF is A1IN, B1I12N, CNI, D. None of these. The correct answer is 1IN. Liquidity ratios are used A. to measure a firm's ability to meet shortcut obligations, B. to compare short-term obligations to short-term resources available to meet these obligations, C. to obtain much insight into the present cash solvency of the firm and the firm's ability to remain solvent in the event of adversity, D. all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Earning per share is the most important ratio for A. shareholders, B. banks, C. company's management, D. all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Pick up the main purpose of project cost control from the following. A. to signal immediate warning of uneconomic operations, B. to provide a feedback to the estimator, C. to promote cost consciousness, D. all of these. The correct answer is all of these.